see two cases of officers testing their cardio as they chase shoplifters.
Running on foot. Stop running! You're gonna get bit! You're gonna get bit by the dog! You're gonna get bit by the dog! Coda, Coda! Coda, Coda! Here! 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 Dog! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
Okay.
Oh!
Okay.
Oh!
Okay,
Oh!
okay, babe.
Him!
Ah, he bite me. You're ripping me. You're ripping me. You're ripping me.
Don't move. Get over on your
Ah, he biting me.
Get on your stomach. He is. Get on your stomach. Put your other hand behind your back.
I'm laying on it.
Put your other hand behind your back. Coda. No. Okay, good job, Coda. Let's go. You got it.
I'm just gonna go home the fire.
Yeah.
You bit my ass.
Yeah, you just ran from the police.
Huh?
You just ran from the police.
All right, go on the side.
Hey, we're gonna search him before we even get him up.
You got anything illegal on you?
No, sir.
Do you have any weapons?
No, sir.
Do you have any drugs?
Hell no.
Yeah, that's what they said was stolen.
A lot of Red Bull.
Yeah, they said it was Red Bull stolen.
A lot of Red Bull, as this officer says, is an understatement, as the amount will be revealed very soon.